Homelessness. What began as a pilot program has evolved into a comprehensive guide aimed at reaching more individuals facing homelessness across California. In this book, I discuss the critical first step in tackling homelessness: building a strong team of resources. One of the most vital roles is the caseworker, who must have a genuine passion for helping others with compassion and dedication. Caseworkers are the backbone of any successful initiative, providing essential support and guidance on the journey to stability. The book emphasizes placing individuals in transitional housing as a foundational step. It's crucial for those in these programs to communicate effectively with residents and business owners at every stage. Proper vetting ensures that individuals are placed in suitable locations that foster a positive environment. We focus on supporting those affected by mental health issues, disabilities, veterans, victims of domestic abuse, and individuals facing financial hardships. Each group has unique needs that require careful consideration. Inside, you'll find valuable resources for all of California. We propose creating a smart card profile that helps individuals secure jobs and earn through a points system, facilitating their independence. We also address the needs of our four-legged friends, emphasizing the importance of including pets in our solutions. Additionally, our power washing program will help clean the streets and address unsightly RVs that detract from community well-being. This book outlines how we can transition the homeless into permanent housing funded not by taxpayers, but by a percentage of their benefits or earned income. Together, we can create a sustainable and compassionate approach to ending homelessness, providing individuals with the stability they truly deserve. I appreciate your support on this important journey, and I'm currently offering my ebook for just 99 cents. Thank you for considering it. Please take a moment to share.